What is up, Scootaheads? Hey, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic weekend. Happy Easter if you celebrate it. These are the aftermarket mirrors that I purchased off eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. Just wanted you guys to see what I did. All right. Hope you enjoy. Scootaheads, hey, this Allen wrench is in the pouch from the kit, the toolbox. So it has this size and this size. So that's gonna be perfect for me putting these mirrors on. I'm gonna bring those out so you guys can check them out one more time. I know I did a quick little video that showed me unboxing, but I want you guys to check them out, okay? All right, so this is the mirrors. Like I said earlier, you get the blind spot mirrors, hardware, and then the mirrors themselves in there. The packaging is okay. You know, I'm sure these aren't as good as the other ones. My only concern is the size. I hope these aren't too small when you compare them to, I hope I can see out of here. Like, you look at this, that's significantly smaller. And then, you know, I just want to make sure that this is gonna fit okay. And actually not only fit okay, but I'm gonna be able to see. That's the most important part of it. So if not, I'm gonna, since there are no instructions, I'm going to do one side first, and then I'm gonna circle back and I'll show you guys how to do the other side, all right? Taking off the original mirror was super simple. Just used the Allen key that was included with the toolkit. They fit right in, and I used the original OEM screws with the aftermarket mirrors. So I made it real simple and easy just to pop those old ones off and put the new ones on. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I like the way this turned out. I do think it gives it a different profile as far as the mirrors are concerned. It makes it look a lot more sleek. The key will be to see if I can see out of these mirrors when I'm riding. So that's the most important thing. I don't want to be in a situation where I put myself in danger or anything like that at all. So more to come on that. I am going to take a ride hopefully in the next day or two once the temps get up a little bit. It's about 35 degrees. We got snow this morning, so I didn't ride today. I didn't get a chance to test this out, but hopefully everything works out, and I will update you guys, let you know how I feel, or probably do a moto vlog about it as well. I've got another install video coming up soon, and definitely appreciate you guys for watching. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, and I will check you on the next one, guys. Be blessed. Peace.